Welcome back. How you are doing today? I hope you are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So each time I look on this side, I'm trying to make sure my screen is recording because sometimes my camera is kind of acting up nowadays and it's stopping along the way whenever I'm recording. So I have to make sure I'm checking on the screen to make sure that it is recording. That's why I keep looking on that side. So pardon me for that. Hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be showing you how to use stamp, brow stamp plus tattoo lipstick.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
Product by a company called Eyebrow. I hope I pronounce it right. This company is actually on Amazon, so they reach out to me to try their products and I'm trying it with you all on the camera. Into this video, I'm going to tell you, I'm showing you how to, and also I'm reviewing this product and I'm going to tell you my honest truth about this product. So it is now up to you if you want to check them out, if you want to purchase it. All right, you all know I'm going to tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. So on the screen I present to you the eyebrow stamp. Like I mentioned earlier on, this stamp is by the eyebrow stamp is made by the company called Eyebrow. This eyebrow stamp, it comes in different shades. They have it in light brown, they have it in black, they also have it in dark brown, they have it in gray, they have it in another medium brown. The one that I'll be featuring today is obviously dark brown, and it's so easy to use. It came with a lot of stencils. When I said a lot, it came with 10 stencils that you can use to, you can pick whichever one that you like. Inside the box, of course, we have the brow stamp and also two brow brushes inside that came with it. The shade that I'll be using today is called dark brown. Like I said, they have light brown, dark brown, they have gray, they have black. All right. So you all can see that I already did one side of my face just off the camera, and I'm about to do the other one on the camera. These stencils are so easy to use. Like I mentioned, just pick the one that you like and you go ahead and you take it out, you remove the plastic just like I'm showing you on the screen right now. When you remove the plastic, it's going to reveal the hatch of the arc, whichever way you want to pronounce, of the brows, of the style, the brows that you're going for. Then you place it on your brows. When you place it on your brows, you bring out the brow stamp and begin to stamp it. So as you continue stamping, as darker as you want it, if you want it to be very light, you just do a little, and if you want it very, very dark, you apply more. So when you are done with the other side, you take the stamp out, then you use the brow brush to brush to your desired look, how you want it to look. Then you clean your stencil and flip it to the other side so that the tail can be at the end of the other side, and you repeat the same process. So ladies, when you are done, in order for you to be able to have a clean one, what I did off the camera, in order not to prolong the video, I just took my concealer just to clean just like the way we do our normal brows every day, just to clean the end of it to give me that sharp edge that you're looking at, and that is it. And I went ahead, like you already saw it, I used the brow brush to brush out the ash line that was at the front here because it was giving me some kind of oval shape. like, and I don't want that, so I just use the brow brush to brush it out to make it look just like the way you're seeing it. What do you think about this? My final thought about this, it's worth trying. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you know you want to leave home like sharp and you're not too good with your brows, I will tell you to give it a try. You have many options of brow styles that you could go for, you know, and I recommend you give it a try. This is how it is. You all have seen the way I applied it. So if you're not too good with your brows and you're looking for how to, you want to practice it, in fact you can actually use the stencils, of course, to fill in with, you know, with your own pencils too, or you know, just try it whichever way that works for you. I would recommend that you give this particular brow stamp a try. Moving on to the second face, this also is by the same company that I mentioned earlier on. This particular tattoo lipsticks, they have 20 pieces in it. The packaging is so beautiful. It looks like a cigarette. I don't smoke, but it's just like the way it is. Like, it's for the cool girls. Like, if you know, like, you know, even if you don't smoke, the reason why I said it's so amazing is you can easily fit it into your purse. If you really like these products, you can really fit it into your purse. The packaging is beautiful. How to use this product is written at the back. It's so easy to use. I'm going to demonstrate it for you all. I just wanted to let you know that they have different shades of this one too. It comes in multicolor, which is the one I'm presenting to you. They have it in nude, they have in pink, they have in red, and also they have it in rose red. But the one actually featuring today have everything I mentioned in one packet, which is the multicolors. So you have the red inside of it, you have the red, you have the rose red, we have the nude, we also have the just like I'm featuring it on the screen right now, we have the red, we have the pink, we have that as well. So what you do is you bring it out. It's in form of Q-tip. You all can see it already. That's why I try to zoom it in so you can see it as much as I can present it. You will see a red line around the Q-tip. That is after you've broken it, the liquid will go to the end of the other Q-tip, and you start applying it just like I'm featuring it on the screen. All right, ladies, here is my final thought about this. Tattoo lipstick. I, for one, I'm not going to recommend it. It's up to you if you want to give it a try. I'm going to tell you the honest truth, and the reason is because it's not that pigmented. You all can see this is red, and I used 2 of this on my lips, but look at that. It's like barely there. So it's now up to you if you want to give it a try. But for me, for the packaging is cool. It has 20 pieces, you know, like quantity, but not quality. That's the way I see it. I have to say the truth. And no, I mean, it's up to you if you want to give it a try. For me to have used 2 of these and I came about not too pigmented, no, it doesn't. For me, I'm not going to be giving it a try. But the brow stamp, yes, that one is approved. You can give that a try. I recommend that. But the lipstick, tattoo lipstick, it doesn't look like how it shows on the, you see, you would think you would get something like this, but it's not that pigmented at all. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.